Welcome to fixitforgetit.com, where projects and ideas come together.
Hi, this is John from fixitforgetit.com. Fall is here and tonight it's going to freeze, so I need to purge the pump on this power washer. Years ago, I made a device to do this. That's how this thing looks. But you don't have to make one. You can buy these right off the shelf. It comes with two adapters. That one has a male connection. This one has the female. And you can use those to blow out motorhomes, garden hoses, that sort of thing. The reason I got these is because every year when I would purge this pump, I used to buy these little aerosol cans, and the aerosol can screws in, and then you just hit a button on the top of the aerosol can. It forces a solution into the pump and it comes out this exit port. But those things are pretty expensive and you don't get much mileage on them, so I wanted to come up with something where I could purge this pump without having to buy one of those aerosol cans every year. And this works great. So this gate valve is in the closed position. I'm going to open it and you'll see the water coming out there. So that's how easy it is. I just have it hooked up to a little compressor, and I will now show you how I purge my garden hoses with this thing. I used a pair of Channellocks to take the hose off of the spigot, and you want to make sure before you hook up the adapter to the hose that this gate valve is in the off position. You don't want any water running back into that air hose, and that is in the off position. I'm going to turn it on and then we'll open up the gun on the hose and start purging it. You can see how that blows all that water out of the hose very nicely. Once all of this heavy water is out of there, it'll start to spit and sputter. And at that point, you want to just keep beeping this trigger here, kind of like that, and just keep going at it. It'll take a little bit. When you see very little mist coming out of this thing, it should be purged well enough that you can store it after the winter. And there goes the heavy stuff. And this will go down to almost nothing, but I found that when most of it's out of there, if you sort of kind of go at it like that and just trigger it a bit, that you'll get all of it out of there. And again, I just have that little compressor hooked up to this thing. So these little adapters work out real well, and they make this job nice and easy. So if you need to purge your power washer and garden hoses, that'll do the trick. This is John from fixitforgetit.com. I appreciate you stopping by on this project. I will have some affiliate links in the description that will take you directly to some of the products I used on this project. And we will see you in the next video.